Hello and welcome to Bankroll Trading. Today's video I'm going to do a recap on two trades I took on Tesla on the 2nd of August and walked away with $1,300 of profit in approximately 15 minutes of the open. So with that being said, let's get into the recaps. So you can see here that first 2-minute candle closed quite bullish with that long bottoming wick. It quickly shot up to 886. It was too quick for me, and then it comes back down to 880. And then you see here that buying pressure comes back in. I've set my line at 886.20 for that high of day. As it comes back up, I select the 890 calls as it gets above the 9 EMA. And then when it goes to break that 886 level, that's when I take my trade. So you can see here it's getting bought back up again. I've just selected the 890 calls. It's getting bought up, and now I'm going to get in right about here. It's at right there. I get in 8 contracts, 890 calls at 21.22, and this is where I don't do a good enough job. So it sells off a bit, but not enough. I'm about break even. It's had a little push. It's not really rocketing as I want to see it. It's not going quickly. I'm about 60 cents up in the contract. It pulls back again and I get out. So I just get shaken out. In an ideal world, I'm holding through this. I'm never at a loss. I'm always in profit. And as you can see here, it just keeps going up and up and up. I could have had a $1-2 on the premiums, which would have been $1,600 profit. Nice one and done day, but I didn't on this occasion. So that's what I've got to work on. I made $295, which is still good, but room for improvement still. So here we have trade 2 of the day, which in my book is an A+ setup. You can see off the open, it had that 2-minute opening range break to the upside. It set the high at 891.75. It then pulled back and pulled all the way back to $881. And this is a sign of a really nice pullback. It gets below the 9 and then quickly gets brought back up, which is a great sign for going long and breaking that higher day. So you can see here I've got the 895 calls selected, and I'm anticipating that this is going to break 891.75 and then make a new high of the day, and that's exactly what it did. So the key thing to note here is the candlestick pattern on this previous 2-minute candle. So it's got a really long bottoming wick, which shows that sellers have tried to step in and get this to go lower, but the buyers have come quickly back in, bought it back up, and they're not letting them win that battle. So that shows me that this is a bullish candle. This next candle doesn't do a great deal. And then, as you can see, it pushes up. And as it pushes up, it goes to break that 891.75. I anticipate it. I get in for 8 contracts at 895 calls. I get filled at 21.64. It has a bit of a pullback, and this is why I like how I executed this trade, because nothing here shows signs that it's going to really sell off. So I'm currently sitting at a loss on this trade, but I'm holding through it because I'm confident, especially with that previous candle and that buying power and that bottoming wick, that this is going to make a new high. So that candle closes there. As you can see, it's going to push. It's going to make a new high day there. It has a really nice push through, and I'm just going to take my profits. I get $1.30 on the contracts to end the day, $1,300 up, which is a great day for me. It goes to show that just because your first trade you may not execute properly, you can't let that get the better of you. If you stick to the plan and you execute well, then your next trade is going to be a good trade. So thank you guys all for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. We have a new Instagram account, Bankroll Trading. If you can go give that a like and a follow, and we'll be posting daily on there, motivational quotes, trade setups, everything, and we'll be posting some more videos. So thank you guys for watching.